BTS were on hiatus from 2022 to 2025 to serve their mandatory military service while also exploring their own musical identities. After 4 years, they have reunited and released their comeback album ARIRANG. But ARIRANG is not all BTS or new BTS, it's both. The first song is Body to Body, and it reminds fans of Oryolate 2 from 2013, opened by the leader and rapper RM. This was RM when he was 18. But during the solo era, his angry voice got cooled and relaxed.
All suckers wanna get it, take a sip, cause Johnny Boy mad up shit, all the suckers wanna hit it.
So when cool and relaxed RM raps in the old 2013 rebellious BTS style, we get
I need the hole, steady in the trunk. Put your phone down, let's get on the front. I got my eyes on the row in the front.
And it's not just a new tone of voice in an old style of beat. Body to Body samples the song ARIRANG, and for BTS listeners, this song is familiar because BTS has many songs with traditional Korean instruments, like August's Haegum, Detrita, Idol, and now of course, none of this is exact. ARIRANG is a new musical chapter for BTS. They are trying lots of new styles. But as someone who actually listens to all eras of BTS, I do believe this album feels like BTS. By going back to their roots, these artists who went through a self-discovery process can now reimagine those very first albums and evolve the best parts of all their discography. Just look at song number 2. The second song is called Hooligan. And while many BTS listeners believe its style is similar to BTS Cypher's, its quote-unquote scary elements remind me of Shadow, from its instrumental to the way the rappers stop rapping to declare things in a dark tone.
I wanna be left, I wanna be the top. We the mess, gonna get a bigger mop here.
But I do see how this rap-focused song reminds fans of the Cyphers. For example, here is J-Hope. During the solo era, J-Hope became Jack in a Box. This mature voice helps them bring a new tone to their songs now.
Crowd looking like a campus, beat drop, green dancing.
I like using the word elevated because songs like this do have the classic BTS Cypher style, but they have a newfound confidence in them. They feel relaxed. Just like with the next song, we heard Right Place, Wrong Person RM in Body to Body, Jack in the Box J-Hope in Hooligan, and in Aliens, we see Suga bring out Augustine, just 10 years older. And like in early BTS, the singers are present, creating a smooth transition to every rap section. This is a classical early BTS dynamic, but they still left room for modern 2020 BTS, with elements like the rapper's chants. While the first 3 songs feel like early BTS, the next song feels more like the global BTS you most likely recognize. The 4th song of ARIRANG is called Fire, and it reminds me so much of 2016 BTS, the group that was experimenting with global sounds other than their hip-hop roots. Even random elements that get your attention, like using a scream and then saying the name of the song.
No, not today. Everything let us fly.
And we cannot ignore the electro dance style they started experimenting with in 2016. It blends almost perfectly with this song. In terms of new elements from the solo era, I can see the way Jimin's soft background vocals created a new layer that the 2016 dance songs did not have. And this brings us to many fans can picture 2.0 in BTS's first studio album Dark and Wild. This, however, may be hard for newer fans who expected their new voices in their 2018 style. It's like listening to Dark and Wild again, but the rappers are solo era August D, J-Hope, and RM.
Time to pay your debt. Feel me not.
This may feel unfamiliar to BTS, but this is not a new sound for them. Their new solo work is completely different. They just brought some elements from it to this old style.
Hater my turn, but no problem I kill. Get your ass out of truck, get your ass out of truck.
This is the last rap-focused song of ARIRANG. Number 29 creates a transition to the vocal-focused section of ARIRANG. This is the lead single, and Swim is unlike any other BTS modern single, which makes it harder for newer fans to recognize the BTS sound in it because it actually has more than a couple of alternative pop elements from 2014.
Like that 너의 그 길고 긴 생머리 올려 묶을 때의 아찔한 목숨과 흘러내린 잔머리 서로 Take it off the ground, I ain't never getting cold feet.
This is classical BTS. The singers don't just take turns to sing the chorus. They help each other and go back and forth. But the magic of Swim is that it sounds like classical 2014 BTS and modern 2020 BTS at the same time. And from Swim we go to the psychedelic rock, a common BTS style from 2017 to 2020. These old BTS songs tend to lean to the pop side, but Merry Go Round has a more minimalistic style, similar to V's. This is easier to notice when you pay attention to the vocalist's singing style. It feels new but close to modern BTS, similar to the next song. Normal is a pop song, but it's the type of pop song that Suga, a solo artist, August D would make.
Everything I like 1,000 times. Normal and special, they are just some lines. Yeah, somebody does up, but I'm thinking about run away out of sight. Don't know what I want. Wish I had a minute just to turn me up.
But there's also the pop style that Jungkook had in his solo discography.
Not the same as before, I don't feel anymore. It got me at my feelings about on this wall, and my knees.
This makes Normal more of a BTS 2.0 song than a BTS 1.0 song, but we can still see some moments of BTS's Chapter 1. And we go even earlier in their discography, in Like Animals. BTS started exploring pop rock in 2015. As we just heard, the rappers adapted a soft singing style similar to V's.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. outside control.
Meanwhile, the singers adapted a more explosive style, similar to Jin's. The vocalist influence continues to be present as we move from Like Animals to They Don't Know About Us. This song has been described by RM as Jimin's baby, and we can easily notice how much of his 90s, 70s inspiration is reflected on it. So this song is vocal line focused.
They don't know about us. They don't know about us. They don't know about us.
But we also get common BTS elements like fast raps in a calm beat.
선동과 본질의 사이 내 이득은 무엇일까? 몰라 근데 물더 굳이
And Jin's breathy vocals.
날 내가 웃게 되면 뭐가 달랐냐고 자꾸 물어. 나는 대답해 나도 몰라.
With the next song, BTS goes back to 2018. One More Night does have some of Jungkook's solo breathy dance style.
Closer to you. Baby, I give it to you all night.
But without a doubt, One More Night reminds fans most of the Love Yourself era.
느꼈어, baby. 순간 너와 나, baby.
언젠가 너로 만나 한참을 울게 되게.
One More Night has so many elements common in 2018 BTS that made me believe these may be direct references.
Fans.
And from 2018 House BTS, we go to 2019 Pop BTS. This is Please.
Baby, oh, please.
Please is home, almost literally, just with a little bit of an influence from the solo era. This is a popular BTS pop style they maintained from 2018 all throughout their solo eras, even the rappers.
Everything all the pain, why you showed up in my life like that? Hold me from the front, back, left, right.
And we finally get to the last song.
Into the sun.
Into the Sun is a classical rock anthem BTS dedicates to fans. It's soft and heartwarming like for youth. One of the last songs they released before going to the military. And it whispers to you before an emotional explosion. Into the Sun reminds us of one of the most beloved versions of BTS, the BTS that sings A Spring Day. But these are only some songs I could think of when I listen to this album. What other BTS songs does ARIRANG remind you of?